What's up guys, it's your boy, back at you with another video, you get me? I've literally just come in from a car boot sale, it's about 9:30 in the morning. Grabbed not many items, I'm just trying to... first of all guys, for those of you unaware, this is my channel, you get me? BTM Hustles. It's a channel where I sell things on eBay, just trying to survive basically. There was a point in time where this was an escape plan, but now it's kind of a... survival plan. Still an escape plan, but it's a bit of a survival plan at the minute. So basically at the minute guys, for those of you unaware, I'm listing 4 items a day on eBay, just trying to get by, kickstart the store and all that. So today I went to the car boot sale. It's been a frosty morning, got there nice and early. It was tiny though, there's like 3 rows, 4 rows. So I grabbed what I could and basically jumped back home. I'm going to get my 4 items listed today, see if anything's sold today, which I don't think we've actually made any sales, to be honest with you, which is a shame. Let's double check on my hard goods. There's nothing gone on my hard goods, but there might be something on my clothing. But well, there's one item going, there's a TV going. But anyway guys, I'll flip the camera around, I'll show you what I got today, and let's get to it. So we got one bag basically. I got some stuff for my newborn child for like £2, some grows and that, and then we got a couple items. So first things first guys, I got this Redskins Christmas jumper. It's funny enough, this YouTuber I watch sells a lot of Redskins, is in the US, obviously it's an American thing, National Football League. So I double checked to make sure it wasn't bloody Primark, you get me? And it's cool, basically Redskins Christmas jumpers are going for some decent money, probably 30 to 50 quid. I'm hoping I can get like at least $29.99 for it. I paid £4 for it, but it's pretty cool. So we got that Redskins jumper. Actually, I didn't notice it's got the little Indian on there. The only problem is, I'm a little bit worried, is the guy I watch on YouTube says it can be a bit finicky because sometimes this stuff gets took down because you're calling like Indians Redskins. Like they think it's a bit racist in it, but it is just a team. So, I don't know, you know what I mean. Anyway, next thing guys, we got this hot plate for £2 I think. Anyway, it's I've sold them these before, but a lot bigger. Like I sold a massive one with the box. This is a Salton hot tray, and it's basically a little mini one. I couldn't really see any on eBay, but I can probably get £25 for it. Between 20 and 25, hopefully a bit more. It come with the power cord, but the power cord's missing the thing off it. But because I'm a reseller, I'm prepared, you get me? And I do grab a few plugs once in a while, so I put that plug on in a bit, test it, make sure it works. God damn, tripping over the Hoover wire. So we got that, so that's 2 items. We got these kids Ugg boots for £4. Really good condition, you know, they're like fresh to death. Yeah, man, they almost look like they've been worn once, maybe. Part of me is thinking I could keep them for my daughter. He was only like 5 days old, but, you know, like, one day, you get me? But I need money, and we need sales, so they'll be getting sold. Some Ugg boots, kids shoes, size 12, £3, £4, sorry. I'm gonna push for 25 for them. In general, Ugg boots are going for sort of 15 to 25, but these ones are cooler than the rest. They're like this shiny hardware material, so I'm hoping to get a little bit more for them. Next thing I got guys, paid £4 for, is these Daytona motorcycle boots. Now I just saw the thing Daytona and I was like, what is that? It rings a bell and I'm not sure why. And now when I think about it, it's because I think it's a motorbike. Daytona's, I could be wrong, but I feel like it's a type of motorbike, or motorbike company of some kind. So these cost £4. Just in general, these boots are going from sort of 40 to 60 quid. The only problem with these is this. There's a little bit of, oh sorry, the sole here is peeling a little bit, but I do have glue, so I'm going to super glue this back and then just sell them, you know what I mean? Other than that, they're really good condition guys. So basically I've got some Daytona motorcycle boots. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 items today. That's all I picked up literally guys. Empty bag. So hang on a sec. So basically guys, the room's a bit of a shithole at this moment in time. It does need a tidy. So today I did do this room yesterday, but it gets like this in a day, you get me? So I've got to sort all this out, get my 4 listings done. I haven't checked my clothing items yet, but if I sold anything I'll tune back in and show you guys. But I did sell this telly yesterday, you would have saw it in yesterday's video. I was going to ship it out yesterday. It's a 32-inch Samsung built-in Freeview thing. I was going to ship it yesterday, but it didn't actually have to go out till today, so I got a little lazy and just thought, fuck it, it's only one item. So I'm just hoping out of these 4 items, or whatever 4 items I choose to list today, it kickstarts the sale, because I need, ideally, well, technically I'm over 1 sale a day. I'm a 90-day total. 1 sale a day would be, what, 90 sales in 90 days? But I'm like over 100, so I'm probably on like 1.25 sales a day, which is crap. It's utterly awful. The highest I've probably been is, I don't even know at this point, like, there's been times in the past I've been selling 4, 5, 6, 7 items a day. So there's a lot of building my store back up, but this is the penalty for basically finding excuses not to grow. So no more excuses, just eBay, eBay, eBay. And other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll grab this telly out right now. So pretty much that's all we've got for today's video, guys. I just want it to be I'm trying to just keep consistency. So we grabbed those couple lines from Car Boot. I'm just going to feed my gerbils right now, because this might become a thing on the channel where, like, you guys stay tuned for the feeding. Get me? So these guys eat off my hand. I don't know if you guys can see that, I hope so. But basically I've trained them to eat off my hand, you know what I mean? I just thought, first of all, when I got them, especially this black one, there was no, you couldn't even see him, because like they're so skittish, you get me? But like the only way to, I feel like, to train these little rat things to like trust you is to, oh god, I'm nearly knocking the lid off. You basically have to become their food source. I don't know where their food source, because we feed them. But if you just put the food in a bowl, they don't associate you with food. So these rats associate noise and my movement with feeding time. And that was the only way I could get them to touch them, because you try grabbing a gerbil, it's impossible. And the reason I started this method is because I have another 2 other gerbils I had. One died, just died, to be honest. I like revived him once, and then he was just ill and something up with him. So one died, but the other one, I accidentally ripped half his tail off from like mishandling him. And that was basically when the other one died. The other one died. I was trying to grab this one to get him out the cage so the other one could die in peace, because this one was burying the other one. And I didn't know much about gerbils when I got them. Anyway, at first I used to grab them by their tail, you get me? Like, just because they was too fast. And no one told me that their tails come off. I had no clue. So I grabbed it by the tail, and its tail came off in my hand, like, just the end of it. But I kind of knew not to grab it by the end, just in case, like, because you don't want his tail to snap off. But it, like, literally just the skin, like, came off his tail, and it was just like a bony tail. Anyway, that's a, like, defense thing for gerbils. They shoot their tails off. Like, that's why the end of their tail's, like, fluffy. It's like a distraction. And on top of that, I've done a bit of research about them. When they go in their holes and stuff, they'll leave, like, their tail out and stuff if they're a little bit under threat, because they know, like the predator might just grab the tail and they'll be good. So I accidentally amputated my gerbil's tail, which was nuts. But it's healed now, and it's like, it fell off basically. I don't even know if I should say this because animal rights. I did research on it when it happened. It was like, just leave it to dry out, but the tail's going to be exposed forever. Me being me, like an idiot, I literally put the skin, like, tried to put the skin back on the tail in it. And I did that. And basically, because I did that, like, it must have got rotten, and that whole bit of tail fell off. Now he's just got like half a tail. But I feel like I did it a favour, because you could either have an exposed ass, veiny little tail thing, or it can like be naturally amputated, you get me? I was literally going to get some scissors and just snip it and be like, you just have to heal up the hard way, but I didn't do none of that. It just naturally fell off. Now we call him Half Tail. No, I'm joking, I don't call him Half Tail. That's Rat 1. And we got Rat 2 and Blackie. Get me? So Basically, guys, that's a quick rundown on what happened with the gerbils. I thought that one was dead the other day. Like, you might see it in the last video because I was tapping the glass and he didn't move, but then he was alive. He just sleeps on top of the soil. This one's also evolved. Like, gerbils go underground. This one used to burrow underground when he had his brethren, but now it's just him and he knows and there's no predators or he's perfectly safe. He sleeps on top of the soil and he looks dead. Like, on top of the soil, on top of the sawdust. Like, he'll either be half buried with his head poking out or he'll just be asleep on the top. And it's weird, and he looks dead sometimes, but he's just asleep. So basically, guys, yeah, I get these 4 items listed today. Got a little bit of a death pile building up, which is what I actually need. I desperately need a working, healthy death pile. Otherwise, it's going to rain or freeze or something, and there's going to be no car boots, and I'm out of stock. There's going to be a period over Christmas where I'm out of stock anyway, for like a month or two. There's going to be no car boots. In that period, I don't know what I'm going to do, to be honest with you. I really don't know what I'm going to do. Other than, I'm going to need like me a little part-time job or something. It's the only option I can think, to be honest. Unless car boots keep going. I know they keep going nowadays right up until Christmas. It might actually be car boots up until Christmas, and then after Christmas it'll be a break for a month or two, and then the season starts up again. It used to be the case where car boots stopped in October, November, and didn't start again until January, February, March, maybe even April. But them days are done. You get me? Car boot all year round, 5 days a week nowadays. So anyway, guys, I appreciate anyone who's rolled true to the channel. If you can support me by subscribing, I'd appreciate it. Like the video, all them type of things. If anyone's in a similar situation, jobless, I'm just jobless, like, you get me, I'm just doing eBay, you know what I mean? If anyone's jobless out here, suffering, this is a way of survival for me. This is like, it's this past, like, yeah, let's do a big fun eBay thing. This is my survival. Like, if I don't sell on eBay, we die, basically, and it's been like that for a while. I'm always in and out of work, which kind of saves us from time to time. But I can't hold down a job, long story short, guys, and I can be consistent on eBay. That's about all I can be consistent with. So if I can master eBay consistency, master consistency with this YouTube channel, grow a little baby following, that might help out. And other than that, guys, I need to get myself a part-time job and just attack life, man. Like, that's all we can do, you know. Like, I can sit here and be like, oh, I'm just giving up. I can't give up, because to give up is basically death. Like, the day I start trying is the day I die. Until then, if I don't try, there's a miserable existence. You have to try in some way, shape or form. So this is me trying to try, you get me? So I appreciate anyone who's rolled true. Hit the subscribe button again, like the video again, you get me? And I'll see you guys in the next one, you know what I mean? We'll go play with the gerbils for 5 minutes while on top of the sawdust, you get me? And we out. Just wanted to quickly add this into the video. I just sold, I just need to knock my screen over. I just sold a Vauxhall boot Parcel Shelf for $37.52. That's 5% off, that must have been. So it's this over here. Now this has been something I've been looking out for a while, is like boot shelves. It's basically, I actually watched a lot of YouTube videos about like bolos and things to look out for. And car parts is one of them, like bits like that. And also, I know people remove them from the cars. Like, I take mine off. Mine's in my laundry room now, basically, for my car. So if you ever see parcel shelves and you can get them for like less than £5, something like that. I paid £3 for that. So £3 to £37.52, that's not bad. You get me? So, note to self, look out for little car bits and bobs, you get me? Other than that, I just wanted to quickly put that in the video because that was cool. And yeah, I'm not sending that out today though, I'll probably send it out tomorrow. I'm literally wrapping this like 32-inch TV now. 2 minutes later, guys, we just sold Super Mario Party, which sold for like £20. Literally a tiny little. I got all these like Nintendo Switch games. I got like 5 or 6 of them. I'll just get them all because they're all here. I've sold 2. Must have got 5 because I've got 3 left. I'll just turn the camera around now and show you. We sold these. No, I didn't sell all of them. I sold this one, Super Mario Party, for £19.94. I've got 2 left, and I sold 2 already Paid £2.50 for like 5. Sold 2 for like £11. Just sold this for 20. And then there's probably like £40. These are probably like, I think this one's 33. And this one might be between 20 and 30. So just off that 250, I've sold that now obviously. Just off that 250, made a bunch of money. You get me? Like the guy literally just come out with them, was like, all these Nintendo Switch games, like 50p each. You get me? And then I just, yeah, asked him to do them all for like £2 or 150 or something like that. Stupid cheap, you get me? Because this is super easy to package, I'm probably just going to send this out today as well, guys. You get me? So yeah, happy about that sale. Why not? See you guys in the next one, if I don't get another sale today.